Okay, welcome back to the Blender 3 Docwalk. This is going to be a super short document. We're simply just going to be talking about search capabilities within Blender, specifically menu search and operator search. So yeah, let's jump right into this one. Okay, the menu search pop-up is just that. What it does is it allows you to search for different things within the menus specific to whatever mode that you're in. So, for example, I'm inside the 3D viewport currently, correct? Now, to get to the menu search box or search pop-up, if I come up here to edit, come down to menu search, you'll notice it has my shortcut printed right next to it, F3. So I can click on it here, or I can just simply hit F3 wherever I am. Now, these are all of the items contained in all of the menus that are relevant to the 3D viewport or to my current mode. So we've got everything within the add menu, which is right up here in our upper left-hand corner. If we keep going, we've got the Blender menu, this menu up here with a little Blender icon. We've got edit, file, help, object. Okay, all of the menus that are relevant to whatever mode you are currently in are brought up. So you can simply search for something. Let's say cube. I want to add a cube, and it's the first thing top of my list. Okay, I want to add a cube. Click on that, and it has allowed me to add a cube. So if I grab that guy and move it somewhere else, you can see that I now have 2 cubes. Yay! So as I previously said, the items appearing in the menu search pop-up are specific to whatever mode you're in. So if I come over here and hit F3, the items this shows me are going to be slightly different than the items that I'm going to get coming over here. For some reason, that's become sticky and it's holding on to the last thing I selected. Oh well. Versus over here, F3, again. Yeah, I wonder why it's doing that. That's a little weird. But yeah, so if I come to my timeline, hit F3, and for whatever reason the last entry is getting stuck in my search field, now I have all of my timeline menu items here as well. So that is that. Okay, now there is one last thing having to do with the menu search that I'll just bring it up right now. If we head over to preferences, pull this up, down to key map, right here, Spacebar Action. We've gone over this before, but let's just roll through it one more time. You can configure your spacebar to either be the shortcut key for playing and stopping your animation, bringing up your tools, or bringing up your menu search. So if we do that, come out here, hit the spacebar, and there it is. Okay, next is operator search. This is another preferences thing. If we come over here to preferences and go up to interface. So developer extras right here, if I activate developer extras, close that out, we will get this guy, operator search. Yeah, so this is your operator search. This basically contains every operator call available. So, and it will activate it, right? So, object delete. Let's get rid of our cube, shall we? Delete. Okay, bye. So that's that. It contains every operator, every available operator specific to whatever mode you're in. Something I would like to add to this is in activating your developer extras here, you've activated a few other things as well. And since we were talking about the operator search, now this is more of a user end sort of interface to all available operators, and you click on it and it activates it. However, when it comes to scripting, if we go over here to help, having activated developer extras right here, the operator cheat sheet. If you click on that, go over to scripting, it will pull up a operator cheat sheet for use with the Python API. So everything that you can do through the operator search or find in the operator search, you can also use and utilize from a coding perspective, right, in the scripting workspace. All right, so that is it for the menu search and operator search. And now we're going to be talking about nodes. And we're not going to talk about that page really, but we're going to jump right into the nodes introduction. And I will see you then.